Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hack a Wi-Fi password step by steps in just 2 minutes and you are done. Now we're going to be starting out with Windows 10. So I'm using Windows 10. You can also use Windows 7. So all you have to do now is go to the search bar on your window, then you type cmd or command prompt. So you can type any one of those, cmd or command prompt on Windows 10. I'm using Windows 10, so I type cmd, so it bring a command prompt. So here is the wrong command. And on Windows 7 you can right click on, after writing the cmd you will right click and run as administrator. Make sure you run as administrator for you to get your results. And also after that, on Windows 8 also you can also do that. So after clicking on it, a new window will pop out, so you can maximize it, but I love it to be like that. So we have c:/windows/system32. So then our next step here is to go to the Wi-Fi section to check on our Wi-Fi's. So I'll just click on the section here to check the list of my Wi-Fi which I'm going to hack and check its network. So here it is. So just give me a moment. Now here it is. So we have a lot of Wi-Fi network, but I would love to, okay, let me just choose this add-on. So this add-on here is what we are going to be hacking. So we want to know its Wi-Fi password. So going back to our command prompt, then we are going to input our command. So netsh, it will be netsh wlan, then you write show profile. So show profile, then you give a space. After writing that, you write the name is equal to the name of the Wi-Fi password. Let me just check it to confirm. So in the name here we have add-on. So add-on, it's the I start with capital letter and the remaining start with small letter. So you can write it down in your book, then you can type it on the command prompt. So capital letter I and also the rest with small letter add-on, then you close it with a string, then you give it a space. Actually, this type of Wi-Fi network does not have an interface. We are going to be using key clear. So here is the network here. So key clear. After writing that, you can click on enter, but make sure that when writing the key you have to put an equals to there. So you click on enter. After clicking on enter, it will bring out all the information about that Wi-Fi network. So you will scroll down to check if there is security password in the Wi-Fi network. And I have said it before that if you are using Windows 7 and you do not run it as administrator, it will never bring out the information. But you are using Windows 10, it should bring out the information directly. So here is the key content, means the Wi-Fi password the person is using. So key content is the Samsung 080, and it is telling us that the security key is present in the password. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any question, kindly click on the comment section and ask. And at the end of this video, if you like this video, kindly like the button and don't forget to subscribe.